Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Grenade out! Contact, blue one!
Guys! Fellas, you think we could listen to the radio or something?